This is video number 29. So the MRP of this box is 1135, but I am giving for 1000 rupees free shipping. It's an MDF stuff. इसका weight भी बहुत होता है, but we are giving for free shipping. So what all things you are getting? You are getting this pre-mark Ganeshi. This is in 6 mm, and you are getting this name plates. These are very good designs, and these are in 6 mm. You can see this thickness. Okay, and you are getting these two Roman rings, and there is one ये जो numbers हैं वो हमारे थोड़े से टेढ़े बन गए हैं, तो that's why this is the reason. This is one again, ये कहाँ है? This is the one. This is not the right number, so that's why I am giving this in sale. So I am giving, and one more, and this is a gift from my side. If you book all the stuff, you will get this gift. So the MRP of this is 1135, and you will get free shipping. And one more thing, in this you will get one, just give me 1 minute, 2 more these brad pins you will get inside. So this is a free gift from my side. If you are booking, this all is for 1000 rupees. This is box number 29. Thank you.